Masarap and crunchy fried chicken, quality and affordable Chinese dishes. Yan ang masasabi ko after matikman ang Sincerity Express for the first time. Ang tagal ko ng plan mag-Binondo food trip pero hindi pa rin ako makahanap ng chance. Buti na lang may ibang sikat na resto sa Binondo like Sincerity Express na malapit sa akin. This Sincerity fried chicken is their most popular dish. Well, agree ako kasi malasa ang chicken na to hanggang loob and ang crunchy ng balat. For me, masarap na to even without the gravy. Yung gravy kasi nila is sweet and spicy, baka hindi lang ako sanay. Their Sincerity fried rice is your common Chinese fried rice. Masarap din to, sobrang angat yung lasa ng Chinese chorizo. I have lots of good memories with my dad sa pansit chami kaya lagi ko tong ino-order. For me, masarap din to, tamang-tama lang yung alat, masahog, and very garlicky yung taste. Sobrang dami din ng serving nila, half size lang to ah. Sobrang namiss ko ang kamaron reposado kaya umorder din kami nito. Ang plump ng shrimp sa loob, for me, makapal lang yung batter. I've tasted better pero this is good pa rin and naubos namin. Nagustuhan din to ng son ko and sarap na sarap siya dun sa sauce kasi the sauce is sweet and spicy. We paid 900 pesos for everything we ordered. Oha, naka-shrimp na kami nun ha. Sobrang daming choices. Ang dami pang masarap na i-try sa menu nila. They also have set meals na affordable and ang laki ng serving. Kaya pala ang dami ko nakikitang kumakain dito pag lunchtime ng weekdays kasi sulit yung set meals nila. Ano pa yung must try na kainin sa Sincerity?